Welcome to Hip Hop Tutor. Today, we're stepping into the world of robotics engineering, a field that blends creativity, problem solving, and technology. When you hear the word robot, you might picture science fiction characters, self-driving cars, or machines in factories. But robotics is much more than that. It's about designing systems that can sense, think, and act in the real world. Robotics is one of the fastest growing areas of technology, and it already plays a role in our daily lives. Robots assist doctors in performing delicate surgeries, explore dangerous environments like Mars or the deep ocean, and even help at home with tasks like vacuuming. Learning robotics isn't just about building machines. It's about preparing for a future where humans and robots work together to solve problems. To understand robotics, think of three main parts. The mechanics are the body, the wheels, motors, arms, or joints that create movement. The sensors are the senses, detecting light, sound, or touch in the world around them. The microcontroller is the brain. It receives signals from the senses and makes decisions. And the programming represents the robot's thoughts, the code that tells the brain how to respond. When you combine these three elements, you create a system that can interact with the world in intelligent ways. For example, imagine building a simple line-following robot. The senses are the light sensors that detect the black line on the floor. The brain is the microcontroller, which receives those signals. The thoughts are the code, the instructions that say, if the sensor sees black, turn left. If it sees white, turn right. Put it all together, and suddenly, you have a robot that can navigate a path on its own. That's the power of robotics, turning simple parts into purposeful behavior. Working in robotics also teaches valuable skills beyond technology. You'll learn teamwork, because most robots are built in groups. You'll practice problem solving, because things rarely work perfectly the first time. And you'll develop creativity, because designing a robot is like inventing something new every time. These are the same skills that engineers, scientists, and innovators use in the real world. Robotics connects to many exciting careers: mechanical engineering, computer science, artificial intelligence, healthcare technology, and even entertainment. Whether you dream of designing Mars rovers, creating rescue robots, or programming drones, robotics gives you a foundation to explore all of these paths. So as you begin your high school journey, remember this: robotics isn't just about machines. It's about imagination, persistence, and building the future.